Okay, guys, we're back. Now we have our, just a minute. We have our mixture of 2 cans of cream of chicken and about 3 dollops. Just wait. 3 dollops of sour cream. Now we're going to add a 12-ounce package. Stir it up. 12-ounce package of noodles. That's not hurting you. That's just steam. If you'll stir it, it'll do it. Stir it. Okay. And then we're going to add all the rest of our ham. Stop now. Stop. If y'all not going to do it right, you're going to have to stop.
Me did it.
Anyhow, then we're just going to mix it up, guys.
I can do that. Let me try some, Mommy. Let me try some. Me. That. No. That right egg.
Here.
No.
Well, then, stop. It ain't mixed up good yet. Wait now. Get your hand out of it. Oh, Lord. Okay, let's move this because you just eating. I think we've already got their approval, guys. So we want to get it good and mixed up. And you literally put it in a 350-degree oven for just about maybe 20 minutes. It's already done. All we're really doing is kind of heating up the ham in with the noodles. And then okay, I'm going to turn it on me because they being silly. Okay, there. This is, of course they won't see you because y'all are being silly. Move. We took one $25 ham, guys, and to make it go further, we used ham with our lima beans and cornbread last night. Now we're having ham and potato soup over there that'll last for probably 2 or 3 meals. Wait.
Me want some cake. Maybe me want some duck and cake. No. Me want
It's right there.
Me want no.
Show them eating. Stop being ugly.
Mommy,
Show
we
them.
want some more. Want some more, Mommy?
Well, we're going to bake it in the oven, then we'll get more. Did y'all give it thumbs up?
Baby.
Get your hands out of there. Okay. All right, I think we are baking it at 350 for about 20 minutes, okay?
No.
And you can cover it so that your noodles don't get hard, which I am going to put some tinfoil on it because it doesn't have to brown at all. Now tell them bye. We're fixing to get off. Thumbs up. Tell them bye. We're fixing to get off.
Bye.
Wait, why have I said bye? Okay. It sure went sideways quick.
Me don't. Hi.
All right, guys, listen.
Okay.
That was a little bit of rough video with that ham noodle surprise.
No,
You gotta be quiet then. Ham noodles, we're just telling them about it. Ham noodle surprise. Look, we used 12 ounces of, how do I put it, egg noodles, medium-sized egg noodles, a 12-ounce package. We used 2 cans of cream of chicken. We used about 3. You can put 3 to 4 dollops of sour cream, and it just dollops like a spoon of dollop. Stop, because you ain't got on all your clothes. Stop. And you mix that all up good and put your ham in it, mix it all up good. You can, listen guys, it can be cooked on top of the stove if you choke. Don't touch this, it's hot. If you so choose to. But it can bake in the oven for like 350 for like 20 minutes if you've just done it. Now if you've had it in the refrigerator and you just want to cook it the next day or whatever, or later that night, you just want to get it mixed up and ready, put it in the refrigerator, then cook it for about 30 minutes to give time for all to heat up. But cover it so that your noodles don't get hard, okay? We don't want them to get brown for sure. All right, I just want to come on and tell you. We baked it in a 9 by 13 baking dish, right?
Yeah, baking dish.
Yeah. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.